Welcome to teachcafe.com. Hope you are doing great. Guys, in today's video, we are going to do a review of British Council and IDP, who are the official partners of IELTS exam. Guys, before starting, at the end of this video, I'm going to reveal to you a small secret. So please watch the video till the end. Guys, who are the official partners of IELTS? British Council, IDP Australia, jointly with the Cambridge English Language Assessment. So, what is British Council? Basically, British Council is an UK-based organization and they own the IELTS. They also provide other trainings for the English language related courses. They have courses, English courses for kids. They have courses for the teachers. They are quite larger organization. They are very large and they are prevalent over 6 continents, over 100 countries. So this is all about British Council. Let's see who is IDP. IDP is also a great organization. They are international educational organization. They offer student placement in Australia, New Zealand, USA, UK, Ireland and Canada. Their headquarters is in Melbourne, Australia. They are prevalent in 31 countries with 100 offices all over the world. Now, many of us, we have a doubt, like we have a confusion, which one to choose, whether I should give IELTS exam in with joint with British Council, or should I take IELTS exam with IDP. And there are also myths around this British Council and IDP. So some people claim that British Council is like they are very lenient. I get good bands when I appear for the IELTS exam that is conducted by British Council, while some claim that, while others claim that IDP is the best choice. So actually, guys, I have given exam both in British Council and IDP. Okay, I have given IELTS exam both with British Council and IDP, and I'm 100% sure that there is no such a difference between British Council and IDP, and it's all myth. It's not true. Okay, because they jointly own the IELTS exam. They are the exam partners of IELTS. They have to follow the guidelines, okay, that are related to IELTS. They cannot cross the guidelines, like whether it is British Council or IDP, both are following the same exam pattern and same correction pattern. Everyone, either it is British Council or IDP, they stick on to the guidelines that has been designed for IELTS exam. Okay, so hereafter you're free to choose British Council or IDP, anything that you wish. Guys, here is the secret that I was about to tell you at the end of this video. So, and there are also talks going on that if we take IELTS from smaller towns, our bands are going to increase. So some think like that. Actually, there's a little truth in this. Rather than taking IELTS exam in metro cities, try taking it from smaller towns. The band score improves a little. So this is this is somewhat truth. It appears to be truth. So try it for yourself. Try to book IELTS exam from smaller towns and try to give IELTS exam from smaller towns and see whether your band increases. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get further notifications. Thank you.